Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Audi A4 Avant. This is the 3-litre TDi Quattro S-Line. It's the 8-speed automatic. The car was first registered 23rd of February 2017 on a 66 registration. Just the one owner from new. The car's finished in Floret Silver. Benefits from a full Audi long life service history. Last service completed 20th of February 2020 at 84,000 miles. Next oil service due in 8,800 miles. MOT valid through until the 10th of March 2022. Vehicle's just had a new set of front and rear brake pads fitted. June 21 at 95,000 miles. Very good set of premium branded tyres, Goodyears all round, 7.4 and 3.4 millimetres of tread on the front and 4.2 and 4.3 millimetres of tread to the rear. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine producing 268 bhp, manufacturer's claimed average of 53.3 to the gallon. It's compliant with the ultra low emission zones, tax band E, 139 grams of CO2, which is £155 a year road tax. As with the exterior of this Audi, the interior is likewise in good condition for its age and mileage. Features a half leather interior, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music streaming, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth phone charging pad, AM/FM radio as well as DAB, CD player, twin SD card entry, twin USB as well as auxiliary input. Optional automatic xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. Start-stop technology, Audi Drive Select and paddle shift are all standard. Front and rear parking sensors and tri-zone climate control air conditioning. This A4 Avant is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. The car is HPI clear, so there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle has not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. It will be supplied with full book pack, both remote control keys, full set of tailored carpet mats, tonneau cover is present in the boot along with a built-in dog guard. Space saver spare wheel and lock and wheel bolt are present. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, part exchange form, customer testimonials, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 20% deposit over a 48 months term with monthly payments of £337.13. Thank you for watching this video.